Kwingzambari Regi kubirahambuga nkuru za district ya Rubirizi kandi abarukura za departments zitari zimwe na zimwe babanze no kwanjura ibikozwe mu mwaka gw'ebyesente 2024 no kwanjura bikuza korwa mu mwaka gw'ebyesente 2025
On behalf of Rubirizi District Local Government, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the people of Rubirizi and more particularly to political leaders and technical staff at all levels of government for support and commitment exhibited in steering the development of the district to its current level.
Tujana gukora mu design yo kuja gukora mizi agukuja kwanga gukora gasavinga abantu ba cyabakara Center hamwe na Kagorogoro villages.
Ko twantu presenting amwareba toilets zitabonire mu mashomero kandi ndugona so twenda kombekayo obratrins ekindi twenda kora renovations ngarobu buzimbe bw'amashomero n'umunonga so twenda kongera mu renovations
no bukirabe kiri mu district zikongera billion emwe district ya Rubirizi n'ekiborabora mu omukoremero umwetari yemwe nemwe ahabwe ntunguka y'abatura n'emyoga yabo.
Challenge ya mani twine of course ni nature itaka lituri ya Rubirizi no mangu nitaka arukuterera njora kikugwa so nchetaga ngudo zona tule tuzitire maramu
ahitugambira parish development mando twashya phase ishatu tutunga sente kurwo mu government kandi zitugabire up to more than 100% aho kwa namagoba gagira accounts zabo nago bagagabire so twarenze na 100% ugaba sente ubwo hati Rubirizi turi namba yo kubanza mu Greater Ankole kugabaje sente za parish development mode
na abanyenzire ngo mu budget enguto bazihereze priority yo kubanza rero kandi n'amashomero gitu mukabire ninshaba ngo mu mashomero bateka mamani bahunduze bizimbe.
RDC wa Rubirizi Kikanshemeza Bruno asimire billion bikorwa mu district age.
I must appreciate also work done by the engineer. By the time I came we used it to crash, but these days at least Bruce you have done something.
Gashakwa Onesimus Ndianabo.